The next step, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, is to put in place the handles. As you see, these are pretty nice. Oh wow, they're also made here in Italy. There's such a big amount of industries in Italy. I'm very, very impressed. I knew already that, but since I live here, I just find so many things made in Italy. So we have to check first the fitting, and it will go actually really well because I want to cancel this piece. So that means it will go through here and it actually won't fit there, which is actually perfect for my situation. As you see, this is absolutely grown because this is where the door will be finishing. So this is not for this side, this is the one. So let's see, it has to fit like that. The other one I show you goes on the other side, and this just goes here in the middle. There's nothing more easy than actually installing a handle in this type of door. Don't believe that any handle is easy, depends a lot on the door. Now I'm going to do that. When I have everything installed, I will just check that this is actually working, and I will try to cover the hole for the key, because as you see, I have to change the key cerradura, so I don't want to do that. I want to keep the original simple one.